Just for students. Well, concerning Titi Aluni, who is a very good journalist, who is so great journalist. Well, I'd like to say that when he was detained from the grounds of battle from Afghanistan, from Iraq, well, he was detained just because he was brave enough to face any problem. He was brave to say the truth. This I think it was a threat for America. That's why they detained him for nothing, just because he's a Muslim, and we know that all Muslim journalists are coward. They are not just brave enough. They are coward to say the truth. He was brave enough to show the reality. He was just an eye on the event. That's why he was detained. Well, I'd like to say, I'd like to give him just a message from all the students, from all the American students, that he's brave enough. Just be courageous enough. If you are patient, you're going to be rewarded. If you are just satisfied and content with your fate, you're going to be selected.
في الاتحاد الوطني لطلبة المغرب مع تيسير علوني واستنكار للقيام وللسيطرة الممارسة على الإعلام الحر وحرية الصحافة في العالم ككل، ودفاعا عن الأصوات الحرة الفاضحة لسياسات امتصاص دماء الشعوب ونهب خيراتها واحتلال أراضيها، وعلى رأسها فلسطين والعراق خير